Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss all posters, signboards and notes given in the chapter Constitutional Design. Viewers, I hope you all have subscribed our channel and enjoying our daily quizzes. So let's start. First poster is this signboard shows tense relation between the natives of South Africa and whites during apartheid area, because during this period whites consider non-whites as inferior to them. Clear? Next is a poster. This signboard was installed to warn colored people living in Africa that that beach was reserved for whites only. That means other than whites, no colored people are allowed to take the advantage of that beach. Next poster is capture the transformed image of South Africa. People of different races living and working together like colors of rainbow. Clear? In this poster, all the colored people are living together after the independence of South Africa like a color of rainbow. Next is, this shows the views of Mahatma Gandhi on the Constitution of Independent India. These views were written in his magazine called Young India. Clear? These views were written in the magazine Young India. Next is, this clipping is the speech that shows anxiety of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar given in the Constituent Assembly. This speech was given by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in Assembly. Next, again is a part of a speech given by Jawaharlal Nehru to the Constituent Assembly on August 15, 1947 midnight. Next, there are two posters. First one is the preamble of United States and the next one is the preamble of South Africa. Next comes the picture of preamble of Indian Constitution that reads like a poem on democracy. It is the soul of Indian Constitution. The preamble of Indian Constitution is written in the form of a poem and it is called as the soul of Indian Constitution because it explains the philosophy of entire Constitution of India. Clear? That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.